Hello everyone, this is Aman, and in this video I will do the valuation of MamaEarth. Let's get started. It was started in 2016 by Varun and GazalAlagh, and they started the company with a vision to provide toxic-free beauty and personal care products. And that is also the proposition of the company, that they provide toxic-free and chemical-free products to their consumers. So this was the little bit about the background and history of the company. Now talk about the business model of the company. Company sells products like face wash, moisturizers, hair color, and the company and MamaEarth is the subsidiary of the Honasa company. Honasa company is the holding company of all the brands that the company has. The company has almost 4 or 5 brands in their Honasa company. First, MamaEarth, and second one the Dharma, and third one is Aqualogica, and the fourth one is Yoga, and then Blend, and etc. These are all the brands that company has. So now let's proceed towards the industry in which the company operates. The industry in which company operates is beauty and personal care products. This industry is around $17 billion in 2021, and in this $17 billion, only 2. And as per some reports and company DLHP file, the company has the company has almost 5 to 6% share in online PPC. So this was the industry in which company operates. Now let's talk about the margins and profits of the company and what will happen in the future. So company's revenue in the last 3 years grew at a exponential rate. For example, in 2022 the revenue was around 100 crore, and in 2021 the revenue was at, in last year the company operating margin was around 2.6%. And now let's proceed to the Excel sheet of the valuation. So this is the whole slide. This is the driver sheet of the valuation. Anything, if you change anything here, it will automatically change in the whole valuation. For example, the revenue growth that I have given to it is for the next year to 2023 is 5%, and after that 40%, hereafter 35%, then 35, then 20, 15. Because as company grow big and big, the growth of the company will slow down, and these are the gross margin of the company. In next year I have given it 5%, and then 10%, then 15%, and then 18% for the constant and stable rate. And this is the depreciation, and then finance cost, and this is the tax rate that I have given to the company. So the matrix that I have given to it is according to the industry, according to the consumer products, according to the big player in the market like Marico, Dabur, and HUL. So that is why I have given these type of figures to it. But I have assumed double risk in this company as compared to their peers like Marico or HUL. I think the company is right now very risky because of the profit and the margins. Company in clear words is in loss or is at a break-even point. So this is the discount factor that I will use in my valuation to discount the free cash flow of the company. And discount rate will go down year by year, because as company will generate the profit, as company will grow, as company will become mature, the risk in the company will go down. That is why I have reduced the discount factor year by year. And the beta that I have given to the company is 1, because the company is very risky according to me. And after deducting the India default risk from the GSAC, we will get the risk-free rate, which is around 5.53%, and the equity risk premium is 6.85%, and that is why the cost of equity, means the discount factor, is at 12.38% for the 2023 year, and the terminal growth rate that I have given to it is around 3%, and terminal rate should be lower than the long-term GDP rate of the country. That is why I have given 3% to this company. So this was the driver sheet of the company. Now let's proceed to the income statement. This is the income statement, revenue from operation, as you can see, and I have forecasted the next 10-year revenue of the company. The next 5 year of the company, like 2023 to 2016, 2026 to 27, the industry growth have given in the DRHP file of the company. It was around 34% annual basis, and that is why I have given it around for 50%, and next 5 year 50%, because I have annualized the 6 previous year of the company, which was around 730 crore. That is why this figure is 50%. And after that, this is the gross profit after deducting the expenses of the company, and gross profit is also very acceptable. Like next year it will be around 5%, and then 10%, 15, then 18 will be the max of the company, because I don't think company will grow at a very exponential margin in terms of the margins. That is why I have given to it to max 18%, but it can be more than that, because the company marketing strategies is good, and company is growing at a very exponential rate in the previous year. But I think so that is depreciation. And then EBIT is the, and you can see the operating margin is at a higher level at 17%, and the finance cost is 0.5 as percentage of revenue, and then 1%, because as company grow big, it will include the debt in their capital structure because of the leverage, because of the operating leverage. And then the PAT, profit after tax, the company profit after tax margin was topped at 12% to 10%. This can be very conservative for many people, but this is what it is. And you can put your number in this slide if you want. I can attach this file. In the description, and if you want this file, you can comment the email ID you can comment the email ID. I will share it to you. You can put your number and then see what will be the value of the company. This is the market or revenue projection of the company. Like the whole retail market was at $865 billion in 2022, and then organized retail was at 18% of the whole market. So that is the process to forecast the revenue of the company. So now let's proceed towards the valuation of the company. For the valuation, I have taken revenues first, and then growth, EBIT. We have done this in the income statement, and that is the EV that we have, and this is the reinvestment rate. Reinvestment rate basically capex plus depreciation minus working capital of the company. So after that, the free cash flow that we get is this. And after doing all the valuation, I have come to the value of the equity around 14,000. That means the company, as per the offer, the company's valuation was around 24,000 crore, and as per my valuation, the company valuation is at 14,000 crore, which means the company is overvalued by 17%. So that was all from our side. If you If you like the video, please share it to your friends and also subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free. And thank you.